Hello, my name is Braden. I'm the finance manager of the Kedron Wavell family and welcome to the Sands Social. It's our new club, our second club, and it's been a really exciting process. If you've been down to the club, you'll see that it's very well done, well fit out inside, and it brings sort of that homely feel as you walk through the venue.
Oh yeah, I'm Peter, facilities manager at Kedron Wavell. I've been with Kedron Wavell now for 6 years. First got, introduced to Springers in 2018. We wanted to do something green, and solar was the obvious thing to do. So approached Springers, and we moved on from there.
One of the biggest things when we started the process was obviously sitting down. You look at the kitchen, you look at the gaming floor, you look at all the things that are relative to a club, bars included. And solar really fit in with that process as well. It was a key piece that we saw. It was a very important piece that we didn't want to leave out. The benefits we get out of here and the efficiencies we get out of here are astronomical. 20% of total energy consumption is done through power here. And yeah, it just goes to show when you have the infrastructure set up, you can get real benefit from it. And the analytical softwares that we use to have a look at that and to really apply that back to our energy consumption on our power bill, make that process really easy. And it's good to see the clear benefit there.
Joe and Eddie are the sort of guys that are so easy to work with. And you know, the whole team, from their admin team, the installers, they were very flexible to our working conditions at the club. Obviously with trading hours and accessibility and things like that, it was they were more than flexible, and they just made the project work.
Any other project we have, solar first and foremost gets put on, no-brainer. And definitely Springers are going to be a big part of that, and were a big part of the Sands Social here.